Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how can you use command prompt and do different steps with the help of CMD or command prompt. If you want to make directories or create and delete directories and several other things we can do with the help of command prompt, or in simple manner you can do all things with the help of command prompt that you can do with the help of GUI. Then first you have to open the command prompt with the CMD command. After that, if you want to make a directory, then you just have to type the command called mkdir and you have to type the name of the directory. Like if I type Umanan, then in user Umanan, another directory made by me that is called Umanan. Then I am going to click on this, and if I want to go inside the directory, I can type here cd command, which is used to which helps me to go inside this folder. And if I type here dir is basically used for it shows the content or display the content that is actually in the Umanan folder or the folder you are made. Then I am going to click here. Then you can see here in dir, in the Umanan directory, there is no another files or folders are actually available. Then you can click here. If you want to make files or directory with the help of this command, then you can make it. If I type here cls, then it will clear the screen. Then to clear the screen, use the cls command. Simply type cls and press enter to clear all of the content of the screen. Only the command prompt will remain on the screen as shown above. So I am just using the command. Then if I want to create a new file, empty new file, in order to create a new file, you use the type null and then type command type like null. After that, new file. I am going to type the null. After that, use this command and type new file, and the new file is created, that is empty. If I want to create another file in the Uman folder, then again I am going to type this null, then the command or the file name I want to enter. After that, I am going to enter again. Then you can see here, if you want to recheck it, then you can go in the then user Umanan user, then click on Umanan folder. After that, you can see here another Umanan folder is created, and you can see there is two files created, new file and new file 1. Then you have to just learn the command, that is mkdir for the directory, cd for if you want to go inside in any directory, and if you want to create a new file in the directory, you have to write null. It ensures the empty, and after that you can use the file name you want to create. You can just type the file name you want to create. If I go and check here, if I want to again check here the directory information, what type of files are actually available in Umanan folder, then I am going to click the dir, and you can see here there is two files created. First is new file, second another one is new file 1. So with the help of these commands, some other commands, I can make a new folder and create more and more folder with the help of this command, and also create some new file. You have to remember one thing, then you have to type the null before the file name, because null ensures the emptiness of the file. So you have to type the null, then you can use this symbol. After that you can type the file name you want to create, and with the help of dir we can see the file information which are actually in the any folder. If you want to if I want to check any folder information or what's inside in the folder, then I just use the command dir. That will help me to show the directory information. So in my next command, if I want to delete a new file, then I just hit the command del, then the new file. If I want to delete a new file 1, then I am going to just type the command del, it means delete or remove, then click on new file 1. Then you can see, if I again going to check what type of files are in one folder, then you can see here there is only one file are actually exist, and this is new file, and the new file 1 is actually deleted by me with the help of del command or delete command or remove command. Then if I enter here cd, or just you can see, if you with the help of this cd command, I am just reached on my previous place or reached on my previous folder. I am just come back outside of the unknown folder. If I click it again, then I will come at the user. If I click it, type it again cd, then you can use cd and file name or folder name to go inside the folder or file, and if you use cd dot dot, then you can just back to your previous place or just back to your previous folder. So you just use this cd where you want to go, then so these are some command you can use to make if I use here the command I'm called rmdir, the rmdir to delete a directory. You can, अगर डायरेक्टरी को डिलीट करना चाहते हैं फिर तब भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं rmdir, remove directory. If I go in user with this command, if it's no, this is not working. So rmdir is, if you remove directory or if you want to delete a file, then you have to use the command del and then file name. Or if you want to delete the directory, then you have to use, you can see here, if I want to delete the directory or rmdir and I want to delete the human folder, then you can see here the directory is not empty. Then first I have to delete delete the files in the directory. After that I can delete the directory. So if I want to delete any directory, then first I have to empty the directory, or if first I have to delete all the files that exist in the directory, then I am able to remove the directory. So these are some small steps which you can delete. After, if I'm go here and you can see here a file is exist, then I am going to click here. Again if I use this command, then it will delete it easily. And if I want to see here, then you can see in woman location is not available. Then there is no another woman folder is exist. So rmdir is just used to delete, remove. Dir is equal to remove the directory, and del command is used to delete any particular file. Always remember this. To remove a directory that contains file, use a modified version of rmdir command. If you use rmdir /s, then you can delete any directory which contain a file. If I am going to make an make dir and create again the, then you can see here, if I want to create a file called file name 1, after that a file is created. Then if I want to, if I back and there is some problem, it means okay, first I have to enter in the one folder, then you can just use this approach. If remember one thing, if you want to make directory, then use make dir command. Then if you want to go inside, then use cd command to go inside. After that you can use this command to make any file in the directory. After that, if you come back outside, if you want to come back outside of the directory, you can use this command. You can go outside of the directory. After that, if you want to delete the directory, if you use simple command rmdir and select the directory name, then it will not, he just says you the message that the directory is not empty. It means you have to first delete the file, then you can able to delete the directory. But this advanced version of code you can use to delete the directory if it contains the file. So he just asks you, are you sure you want to do this? Then you can click on Y and then it will delete the directory. So these are some command you can use. Make directory mkdir. If you want to go any inside the folder, you can use cd command. And if you want to create a file on this folder, you can use null. Then file create the use the file name you want to create. After that, if you want to come back outside of the directory, you can use cd dot dot. If you want to remove the directory, you first you have to empty the folder, otherwise you are not able to remove the directory. And if you want to exceptionally use any command to delete the directory, you can use rmdir remove directory /s and then the folder name. If the folder name contain any file, then you can confirm it by yes, then you can delete it. So use this command and make use another commands which is very helpful and enhance your skills in command prompt. So thank you friends, that's all from now. Thank you.